the new ventilation. You'll see it just starts over there and goes along here. It's quite small there, and then keeps coming along. It's in progress. You can see it goes along there, and then it looks like it will jump up and then go higher and then come back down, join this bigger one here, slightly bigger, and then we'll continue on along here. There you'll see it going along. Goes along here, and they will then join that one to an even bigger one over here. And then it goes around, 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 and then it exits up there. Okay, so it pushes all the air up there. And then you can see that big guy will continue along here, join a little one here. And then it flies, it will continue along here. And continue along here, join this one, and keep going along here. So you'll see it keep coming along there. If you can just come out here, I want to show you a problem. The first problem is, if I walk to here, I would hit it just walking along here. So that's not awesome. That will need to go up and over. Come along. There is another problem over here. This big ventilation will continue along here because it needs fresh air. So just step back a little. You'll see that it will come along here. It's quite large, so goodbye to some of the parking here. Come along, and then this elbow goes out here to here, so it makes this exit hard as well, and cuts a little bit of that off. It does this to get fresh air. Now, I have an idea, and that is, you could put a hole up here. You put a hole just here, and then come back here. Because you're after fresh air. And if you do the step out, you'll see that spot is around here. So you could drill a core hole, get it checked by an engineer, get the fresh air from the top of the driveway, and then we don't need all this stuff, and it doesn't impact those car spots as much and the walk-through and stuff like that. Now let's try that.